welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Innoviva INC, and if you are looking at the overall chart of this Innoviva INC stock or the monthly chart, you will see enough opportunity, although the overall structure of the chart is flat. So let us discuss about the overall trend or the big trend or the opportunity over here as far as the Innoviva INC is concerned. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now primarily this stock chart is indeed flat. Okay, let me show it to you. So this is the lower end of the range, and you can see the stock chart is completely flat and it is moving in between a range. So here we are. So what do we have over here is you have $10.5, you have a support of 9.32, and the lowest end of the range we have here is 7.94 and 7.68. So these are your lower end of the ranges. Okay, so do not go below these four levels, and overall the stock is anyhow flying high, so it may not retest back towards the lows that it has made, but it is safe to know and understand about all these levels in case a big volatility hits the market. Right now, if you are looking at the current condition of the stock, you will see your immediate target. The immediate target of this particular stock is $16 on the downside, and what do we have here on the upside is a level, or I would say a resistance that we are going to look at. So what do we have here in terms of resistance is 20.56. So the stock must not fall below $16 on the downside, and there is a immediate support of 16.10, but on the upside you will have an immediate resistance or primary target of 20.56. Now 20.56 is very important for this stock to take over, or it has to sustain above 20.56 or 20.6, or let's say $21 on the upside, because it will help the stock, or it will give confidence that the stock will now ready to go higher and probably move the higher end of the range. So what do we have above 20.56 are 23.85, and then we have 23.68. So these are your two primary targets that we are going to look at. But going forward on the upside, you also have 30.46 and you have 34.72. So these are the couple of levels that we are going to look at as of now, because overall the stock is for the last 15 or 16 years has been moving in between a range. So the dilemma or the problem I would say here is we can't go beyond the range, which is $7.75 on the downside and $35 probably on the upside. So until and unless the stock itself makes a move and makes a breakout beyond either beyond $35 or below $7.5, we can't say that where will the stock go. So currently the range bound stock, but even within the range you will have enough volatility to play with, and this is one of those stocks, or I would say the range bound stock, and the moves are steady or steady going forward. So the probability of forecast is very high, which means if I think that it will go higher, hopefully in most of the cases where the chart is open and if either it is going up or down, it may or may not match. But in these cases, if the stock is steady and if it is going higher, the chances are very high that it will definitely go higher and hit the upper end of the range before it falls down, until and unless there is some big changes in the market will happen, or some immediate things or unplanned things which market is not expecting hits the market as well as the stock. So this is what we have here as far as the trend is concerned. So do not go below $16 on the upside, as this is be your immediate support, whereas the lower end of the range is in between $7.50 and $10.5 on the downside, whereas the upper end of the range will start from $20.50 and it will go to as high as $35. And once it breaches $35 and let's say it start trading 35 or above, then it will be considered as a big of 15-16 years of breakout, and then we have to reanalyze it again. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.